Hello, welcome everybody. I am the Breadly Assassin. Welcome to another The Breadly Assassin tutorial. I've been getting a lot of people telling me that they're not receiving notifications upon going live or uploading videos. I spoke quite a bit with YouTube about this, and their ultimate answer was that it's human error and that it can be just a conflict of notification settings on the user side. So I thought I would give a brief tutorial on some settings you can check for yourself to make sure you don't miss any more updates and or live streams here from the Breadly Assassin. First off, let's check YouTube settings on the browser. When you're at YouTube and you're on your channel page, simply move over down to settings. Click settings and then check notifications. In notifications, you have an option to set desktop notifications, which will allow you to receive notifications on your computer even when you're not watching YouTube, which is pretty important. Secondly, you want to make sure that you have at least subscriptions on. That way you will be notified about activity from the channels you are subscribed to, and there are quite a bit of other options that you can choose to turn on and off. Secondly, if you click on here where it says channels I'm subscribed to, it will bring you to a page of channels that obviously you are subscribed to, and in there you can double check the bell notification and make sure that you don't have none selected or don't have personalized selected. You want all selected for the most part, and just make sure that you are subscribed, obviously, or it wouldn't come up. Okay. And secondly, let's pop on over to the phone notifications, which are very, very important, as most people use phones for YouTube viewing and or watching sort of stuff. And this one's a little bit different. This is where most of the problems come in, according to YouTube, because you have a specific phone notification settings based on the type of phone you use, and you also have separate YouTube settings in the application here, which can be kind of confusing. So let's take a quick look. First, we will look at the YouTube settings, and here you open up your YouTube app. Secondly, okay, so you're in the YouTube app, and then you click on your icon, and you have your settings here in your account page. Or you want to go to settings in your account page and notifications there. And here you have a subscription on or off for notifications. Make sure that is on. Secondly, you will have a channel settings, which will bring you back to the page we just discussed, where you want to make sure that all is selected there also. Now, going back to your home page, if you go into your settings for your phone, this is what's important. A lot of people overlook this one. You can go into notifications on your phone. And of course here, you want to go to see all to make sure that you're not missing any of your apps, because we want to get to YouTube. So we're going to select all and then scroll all the way down to YouTube. You go inside YouTube, and there you have even more notification settings that a lot of times can be confusing because they're separate from the YouTube app. And in here you have a complete show notifications on and off. Then you can select subscriptions here. You can select live streams here. Of course, then comments and replies and all these other options. Upload notifications, which are very important too. That way you know when we send videos and that sort of stuff. So that's it. Really quick tutorial on some notification settings that you can check to make sure you don't miss any more of our live streams, uploads, polls, and especially the giveaways we have every Friday here on the Breadly Assassin YouTube channel. Thanks everybody. Stay safe.